A waterfall chart is like a picture that helps us understand how things change over time or in different groups. People use it a lot to show the good or bad impacts of different factors one step at a time. Waterfall charts are often used to show financial data such as changes in profit or expenses over time. Positive values are shown as columns going up and negative values are shown as columns going down. The final column should connect with the initial value, forming a waterfall effect. Hello everyone, welcome to IMIND.Exceltraining. I'm Sarah Barulekar, and today I will demonstrate how to create waterfall chart in Microsoft Excel. So here I have the sales figures of a company from January up to June. Also, you can note that I have given the start value of the sales flow and the end value of the sales flow in the same data. Now I would click anywhere inside the data and then I would click on Insert. After clicking on Insert, here you will find the waterfall chart. So it is called as Insert Waterfall Funnel Stock Surface or Radar Chart. So I'll click on that and I will select the first option, that is the waterfall. And instantly the waterfall chart would be created for me. Now after this you have to do certain formatting changes. Examples, I will change the chart title. I'll change it to Sales Flow. And the start and the end values. So we click on the end value. We'll double click on it twice and say that set it as a total. And same way we will click on the start value and we'll say set as total. And now my waterfall chart is ready. So remember, the most important prerequisite that in your data you should have a start value, you should have an end value, and after making the chart, you have to double click on the start and the end values and set it as total, and then your waterfall chart is ready. So friends, hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.